Welcome to another SCQ Access Recap Show. We hope you've been having a great weekend so far.
Time to give you exclusive access to all things School Challenge Quiz, the 50th anniversary edition. I'm Andre Skeen.
And I'm Monet Flowers. Today we review the second week of round 2 games, and as always, we give you a little something extra in our package, like our Access Box Pop and a past players interview.
And don't forget the stimulating trivia questions, study tips, and one of my favorite, the motivational video pick.
We have a great show lined up for you, so let's get straight into the details with this week's studio happenings. Dre, there were 2 main highlights for me this past week. First up is the Immaculate and the Knox match. It was so close. I was hoping the Mac Girl Magic could prevail, but alas, Knox came knocking hard and they took the victory. But I did actually say that one would be a tough one to call, so congrats to the Knox College quiz team and very well tried ladies of Immaculate Conception. We'll get them next year.
And what was the other highlights? Tell me.
That JC and Dintil match.
Yeah.
The results could have gone either way. I was literally at the edge of my chair watching that one.
Yeah.
I thought Dintil played hard for the win, but as they'll see in our recap, after some deliberations, JC gained points and was saved for another round of competition.
Mo, we definitely had an exciting week of games. And listen, your predictions weren't too bad, so good going.
I know, right? I think I'm getting a little better at this, and pretty soon I can take over with the Monet predictions.
Typical Jamaican. You get a hint, you want a whole yard.
Okay, that should be the proverb of the day, and make sure you know how to translate it properly, but what's your quoted old-time saying.
Don't worry about me, man. Easy thing that. But before we get into our very own little competition, let's give you the scores from this week's events. On Monday, St. Jago beat Meadowbrook 33-21. On Tuesday, Knox sent home Immaculate Conception 40-32. Wednesday's match saw Jamaica College narrowly escaping from Dintil Technical 28-25. On Thursday, Campion College got a scare from York Castle, but a true champion knows how to win, and Campion did. They won York 46-31. Friday's doubleheader started with Kingston College defeating Hampton 34-21, while Mannings won Veer Technical 31-20.
Missed any of the matches? Not to worry. Here are the highlights.
Literature, who wrote the 1908 novel Anne of Green Gables, Meadowbrook.
Barbara Kingsley.
No, Lucy Maud Montgomery. Art, what is the main subject in Renoir's painting Les Parapluies? Umbrellas. Bible knowledge, how many wives did Isaac Meadowbrook?
Two.
Incorrect, 1. Biology, what is the most basic form of carbohydrates that contains St. Jago?
Simple sugar. Simple sugar. Simple sugar.
No. Can we accept? Monosaccharides. English language, spell impetus.
Impetus.
St. Jago.
Impetus. I-M-P-E-T-O-U-S.
No, T-U-O-U-S. Or rather, international affairs. Which country is the biggest exporter of natural gas in the world? And that's the bell. Jamaican heritage. Who was Jamaica's first native Governor General? Immaculate.
Clifford Campbell.
Correct. French. What is the French word for reading? Immaculate.
Lire.
No, lecture or en lisant. Literature, who is the author of Pilgrim's Progress? Knox.
John Bunyan.
Correct. Art. In which country would you find the State Hermitage Museum? Immaculate.
United States of America.
Incorrect. Russia. Bible knowledge, which left-handed man became Knox?
Ehud.
Yes, the judge of Israel. Biology, give the first name of the scientist after whom the Golgi body Knox.
Camilo.
Correct. English language with 7-letter adjective starting with N means just coming into existence and beginning Knox.
In which parish can you find a Curato Hill, which got its name from a plant used in connection with rum fermentation? That's in Clarendon. French translate to the following sentence to English. Ma mère travaille dans un hôpital. Dint Hill.
My mother works in a hospital. My mother works in a hospital.
Good. Literature. Who wrote the novel The Prince and the Pauper? J.C.
Mark Twain.
Good. Art. Name the native city of Italian artist Canaletto that many of his works portray. Dint Hill.
Venice.
That's right. Bible knowledge. Who said to his brothers, you meant evil against me, but God meant it for good? J.C.
Joseph.
That's right. Biology. Some alcoholics get the DTs. What does DT stand for? Delirium tremens. English language. Give a 7-letter adjective. And I have JC buzzing in here. Did you want to answer the question, JC? Judges? All right, that's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. Scores look to be Jamaica College on 24, Dint Hill Technical on 25. Our winner after review is Jamaica College. Congratulations, Jamaica College. Well played, very well played, Dint Hill. Which of the prophets had a vision of a plumb line? York Castle.
Amos.
Correct. Biology. The condition known as hallux valgus is a deformity of the big toe. York Castle.
Fungus.
No, it's a bunion. English language. Spell souffle. York Castle.
S-O-U-F-L-E.
Incorrect. There's two F's. S-O-U-F-F-L-E. Local affairs. Who's the member of parliament for St. Catherine West? York Castle.
Catherine West.
Fitzjackson.
Fitzjackson.
Dr. Christopher Tufton, West Central. Chemistry. What is the name for a substance that in solution or when molten ionizes and conducts? York Castle.
Electrolyte.
Electrolyte.
Electricity. Correct. Music. How many movements are there in Beethoven's Eroica Symphony? 4. General knowledge. What is another name for the constellation Ursa Major? Campion College.
Big Bear.
The Great Bear or the Big Dipper? Judges. Spanish. What is the Spanish word for the belt? And we won't have time to hear the answer to that, which is El Cinturón. Sport or visual teams, look at the monitor and identify this person, please. Kingston College. That's right. French. What is the French word for the snow? La Neige. Literature. Who is counselor to the king in Shakespeare's Hamlet? Polonius. Art. Crafted in 1938. Which artist painted KC?
Enamel.
Incorrect. Salvador Dali. The Endless Enigma. Bible knowledge. Moses appointed 70 persons to help him govern Israel. Upon whose recommendation? Jethro, his father-in-law. Biology. Which gland produces melatonin? Kingston College.
Pineal gland.
That's right. Spell truculent, which means hostile. And that bell signifies the end of the match. Truculent, T-R-U-C-U-L-E-N-T. What is the English translation for the French mon poignet fait mal? My wrist hurts. Literature. Who wrote Dracula? Their technical?
Bram Stoker.
That's right. Art. Who created the 17th century oil painting The Return of the Prodigal Son? Their technical?
Rembrandt.
That's right. Bible knowledge. Name the Christian couple that Paul worked with in Acts. Mannings.
Priscilla and Aquila.
That's right. Biology. What is peculiar about a person with a condition known as polythelia? They have 3 nipples. English language. A silhouette, a dark shape seen against a light background. Spell the word silhouette. Manning School.
ILHOUETTE.
Very good. International affairs. Which country became the first to identify and categorize orphanage trafficking as a form of modern slavery in 2018?
Good.
Australia. And that bell signifies the end of the final challenge and indeed the end of the match for this evening.
Stay with us. More on Access Review Show after the break.